Want to make your AI videos look like real movies? I'll show you the exact step videos look like 320 movies. I'll show you the exact steps to get this cinematic look. All right, let's jump right into it. Let's master the edit. First, we import our AI-generated clips directly into the timeline. Smoothly arrange them in sequence to build your narrative. Trim away the unnecessary frames for a tighter, cleaner cut. Quickly ripple delete any. Notice how clean cuts create a professional flow. We match the action perfectly without transitions. Jump cuts can add a modern, stylized rhythm. Timing is everything in cinema. Keep it clean and keep editing. First, we open the color panel to transform this flat footage. Let's boost the contrast and pull down the shadows for depth. Now, a touch of temperature and vignette for that cinematic look. To create smooth motion, we start by adding dynamic keyframes. Notice how we ease the interpolation for that slow, cinematic zoom. A subtle pan keeps our subject perfectly framed every time. To get that perfect edit, you need to sync your cuts directly to the beat. Watch how the timeline snaps into place, making the sequence much more engaging. Now, let's configure the export settings. Set the resolution to 4K for maximum clarity, and boost the frame rate to 60 FPS. Click Export, and you are ready.
Want to turn your videos from basic to cinematic? It is easier than you think. Edit like a pro in CapCut.